Oof. Finally. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're starting our, I guess I'd call it a pole barn. It's like a steel carport building I bought. And let's see, that's it laying in the ground, on the ground in pieces over there. I bought it used, I had to take it down, so I got a really good deal on it. But it's 30 feet wide and it's 19 feet long, or 19 feet deep. So I got it mapped out here where I want to put it, and I'm going to do these Sono tubes, concrete forms. So I got 10 of them, 10-inch diameter, 4 feet long, for like 65 bucks from Lowe's, free shipping. And I'm going to put 5 on each side, because there's 5 supports, 5 uprights. So there'll be concrete support under each one on both sides. So it's going to be back here on my back 40. So we're using our 12-inch auger on the tractor, and I got one set in. I only had to cut 9 inches off of it. I didn't want to dig it out more. I think 3 feet, a little over 3 feet's plenty in the ground. 10-inch diameter of concrete. So I'm gonna go get the concrete bags and get set up here to mix it, and we'll get it poured in there. And once I have this one set where I want it, then I can measure off of it with my laser level, and because this is the highest point of the ground. So we'll set the laser level up and we'll shoot all the other ones and get them where we need them. Alright. Help if I turn the water on. Be right back. Over. All right, 5 more bags. All right, I got the first Sono tube filled. Took 4.5 bags of concrete, 60-pound bags, and turned out pretty good. My drill, 1/2-inch drill, burned up on me, a little bit too much for it. So I did 2 bags with the drill and then 2.5 by hand. So I'll be getting a mixer before I do this again. That was a lot. So that's what it looks like. It's level both directions. I'm going to let it set up just a little bit, and I'm going to put the J-bolt in and leave 3 inches sticking out. Yeah, that's it. So this is the first part of my metal pole barn assembly or build job, or whatever you want to call it. It's where I'm going to park all my tractor implements and both of my trailers, you know, bush hog tiller, all that good stuff, post hole digger. So yeah, I'm gonna get, once I get this one done, this is the highest point, then I can get my laser level out and I can go over here, get that corner, then the far corner, which I already checked it, it's gonna be about 26 inches out of the ground over there, and then the front, and then fill in between them, and then once that's done, then I can backfill in there inside with dirt later. So that's the plan. So let me get all my mess cleaned up, and that'll do it for this video. And there we go. Thanks again for watching Projects with Paul, and we'll see you next time.